Okay, well, before we move on to our features on today's show, I want to quickly tell you about an event that we at Quality Digest are helping to sponsor that we think is pretty cool. The Tech4 Innovation Partnership and Scouting Conference is coming up October 24th and 25th in Boston. It's hosted by the Marcus Evans organization, which is a long-standing strategic partner of us here at Quality Digest. And they're also one of the world's leading providers of global summits. They do a lot of different summits on a lot of really interesting topics. Innovation is one that they tend to cover a lot. This event is going to bring together leaders in R&D, technological innovation, tech scouting and acquisition, external innovation, and partnerships. And they're going to address challenges to maximizing collaboration overall. Those in attendance are seeking to achieve growth, align innovation initiatives, and ultimately solidify competitive advantage. It's really a great opportunity for forward-thinking organizations and individuals to meet and exchange ideas. Again, that is the Tech4 Innovation Partnership and Scouting Conference. It's from Marcus Evans. And again, it's coming up October 24th and 25th in Boston. If you want more information on that, you can check out the story link just below our player page right down there. And of course, as I always remind you, all the stories we're going to be covering on today's show, the two I've covered so far, and the other two I'm going to be bringing to you here in a few moments, are all right down there. So check them out and comment on those stories if you like after the show's over, please. But definitely read them and comment. Okay.